Don't you think only at the time of election forcefully will capture their vote? But other time, only they have to see the blood. It is not the problem is today. It is the problem for so many years. And nowadays, it is the man-made problem. What they tried in Bengal also. If the political party play with fire, with casteism, or division, or divide and rule politics, why this Kashmir files? To humiliate one section. What is this Kerala files? Though I don't support the CPM people, I am talking about the people. I am not talking about the CPM party because they are working with BJP. Instead of me, it was their duty to criticize it. But they work together. I am sorry. I will request the state government chief minister. Very sad that your party is working with BJP. And that BJP is showing the Kerala files a distorted stories. Even since few days ago, since now, the party nominated some stars nominated by BJP, funded by BJP. They came to Bengal also. And along with some distorted stories, the concocted stories, they are preparing a films, Bengal files. If they can prepare the Kashmir files to condemn the Kashmiri people, what is the fault of the people? We respect each and everybody. That is our constitution. Now they defame the Kerala also, Kerala people also, Kerala state also. Then they will every day they are defaming their narrative to defame the Bengal also. Even I came to know that they gave some poster in highest court that saved Bengal. What happened in Bengal? Nothing happened. It's a peaceful, peace-loving state. Why BJP is creating the communal politics? So many puja, so many Eid, so many Gurudwara, so many Christians, all we work together. Never happened this. But for a particular occasion, you try to create the problems with arms, with bulldozer. Is it the duty of a political party to take bulldozer with them and to bulldoze the people? Who gave them this right? So like this, they are defaming the opposition parties, especially whoever is in power, in opposition party. They have forgotten that democracy is permanent. The chair for particular political party is not permanent. The chair will come and go, but democracy will go on forever. So I will tell them, maintain peace, pacify Manipur and Northeastern also, and tell your political people not to create the casteism, the communal violence. It is the ruler is doing I do not know. Ruler must see the peace. And that is the credibility of the ruling party. If the ruling party is creating the violence and bloodshed, then what for this political party? It is better. Don't you think that they are earning the bad name? Don't you think that one day they have to give the befitting reply? Don't you think that double engine government says something and do something? And man-made incident? I am really shocked. My heart is for Manipur people. My heart touches. I am really concerned. My sorrow is for them. It's very sad. It is very sad. It is very sad. And the political parties who are busy with election, it is, of course, they have some duty to campaign. But one day they didn't get the time. They have so many flights, so many helicopters, so many army flight. For 1 hour they could not provide their time because this is their state. And if it happens in Bengal, it will never happen. But they narrate in Delhi also every time that Bengal is very bad. But I can tell you that Bengal is a place. Bengal is a land for Netaji, land for Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, land for Swami Vivekananda, land for Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the sense he was elected from Bengal Assembly first, land for Birsa Munda. It is a land for Ramakrishna Paramahansadev, Vishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Matangini Hajra to Gandhiji preferred Bengal always. Nazrul Islam. We love Guru Nanak. We love Ambedkar. We love Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. We love Rajendra Prasad. We love Shivaji. We love everybody. But we don't love the hatred people.
VK News, राष्ट्र के नाम।